strawberry farm. Napakalamig guys. Hindi ko alam kung pwedeng kumain dito ng ano, libre.
Pero kakain sa lang tayo.
Kung kayo may guys, wala naman CCTV eh. Parang ba't kong kainin to? Oy, shit! Nahulog! Guys, oh. Tikman natin. Ay!
Talagang bawal.
Shit, bawal talaga. Tikman natin guys, oh. First bite.
Asim.
Parang ano, hindi masyado maasim. At hindi din matamis.
What are you doing?
Don't tell anybody.
She's hiding it.
Yeah. Don't tell anybody, okay? Rico! Yeah. Gusto kitang kagatin guys, pero bawal. Baka may pesticide, mapeste ako. Wow! The strawberries are so cute, like you. See?
So small and so cute.
It's not so red yet. Baguio pa rin ako guys. Baguio pa rin tayo. Experience din naman na namin mag strawberry picking eh. Sina yung mga bata lang talaga yung ano, pin-experience ng mama nila. So for now, nakatry naman na sila. Madami na silang nakuha. G ulit. Babush. Piluhan na guys. Tadadadan. Fruit guys.
Eating bunny. Eating bunny.
Okay.
Free strawberry.
Oh, strawberry.
We wandered around so walking the streets together. Your smell is like the sunlight. It swept away all worries and troubles. We went to Korea and saw the roses bloom. The fairy tale